Hey guys, it's me, Risa. I just went on a big power walk. I wore two pairs of socks, two pairs of pants, two tops, plus a sweater, plus my jacket. It was cold, but it felt so good. And then I did my grocery shopping. So I'm going to show you what because I like to be prepared for the week. So I bought a nice big cauliflower. I thought I'd make some cauliflower rice or cauliflower patties. Onions, I put in everything, carrots to munch on, and for my salad, my spring mix, and my romaine lettuce. I know it's a little expensive. I buy one each week. That's my base for my salads. Plus, I have spinach already in the house. I like buying these lemon juices for my dressings. And I love making homemade dressing. Of course, my gum I like to chew on. And I bought a different type of turkey bacon, which I'm very excited about. It's applewood smoked. I heard it's delicious. I bought some ground beef that's on sale. So I'm going to make some meatballs. I bought some ground chicken meat because I'm making tacos. And I found this taco seasoning, which is less in sodium, which I like. Some salsa, of course, to add. I love having tomatoes because I might make some BLTs, of course. And Jello is on sale, so I bought some sugar-free, 5 calories, add a little bit of yummy Cool Whip, and that's a delicious snack or treat. Some more tuna because I'm going to make my tuna patties. I love them, and my olive oil spray. Everything at Walmart today. So you have to be prepared. And of course, some dishwashing liquid that's on sale. Whenever anything's on sale, I always buy a few. You have to be prepared so that you stay on track and make the most out of your health journey. Risa Weiner YouTube for tons more recipes, tips, strategies, and I'm always there to help. Have a great day.